Hit that subscribe button to never miss my plant-based recipes and videos. If you want to amp up your breakfast on a weekend, why not serve it with some tempeh sausage? This takes a little extra step, but it is so delicious, and it goes perfectly with a tofu scramble or even some pancakes. It's fantastic. And it's really, really simple. So we're just gonna take a block of tempeh and we're gonna crumble it up into the food processor. You don't have to be too pretty with this. The food processor is gonna do most of the work. And then we are just going to throw everything else into this. So 2 tablespoons of whole wheat flour. You can use any flour you want. If you're gluten-free, you can use a 1-to-1 blend, that's fine. Here we've got some seasonings. What I've got here is some rosemary, salt, pepper, and dried sage. Some miso paste. You can find this in most grocery stores. It's often in the Asian section. About 2 tablespoons of vegetable broth. And then to give it that awesome sweet goodness, about 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. And now we're just gonna mix that all together. All right, that's pretty good. Doesn't look like much. We're gonna make it into patties now. We're gonna wet our hands first so things don't stick to it too much. And we're just gonna do our best to form it into, I don't know, 8 to 10 patties. About that, looks good. I preheated the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna cook that for 30 minutes, flipping it halfway through. So there's the breakfast sausage. This stuff is great as a side with a tofu scramble or some pancakes or waffles. It's also just great if you put it on a bowl or inside of a breakfast sandwich, and it freezes really, really well. So you can make a double, triple batch of this and have it for a long time to come. And it has got an amazing crunch. The miso and the maple really gives it that sausage flavor that I remember. This is really delicious, and it reminds me of the stuff I had growing up. A little crumb. I got it, don't worry. Go to pbwithj.ca for these recipes and more. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and click that notification bell.